How to play NCAA Football 25 on PC. Unfortunately, you can't play directly on a PC. EA Sports has only released the game for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S consoles. However, there are a few workarounds that might allow you to experience the game on your computer. First, console emulation. This involves using software to mimic a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series on your PC. However, this method technically challenging and may not be legal in all regions. It also requires a powerful PC to run smoothly. Second, Xbox Cloud Gaming. Third, remote play. Fourth, capture card. Fifth, you could try playing earlier versions of the NCAA Football series, like NCAA Football 14 on PC using special programs. Make sure you get these programs from safe sources and use them legally. EA Sports hasn't completely ruled out a future PC release, so it is beneficial to stay updated on any announcements, follow EA Sports on their social media channels, and regularly check gaming news websites for any updates regarding NCAA football and its availability.